Came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Gerald, I told you this was 15 inches, not 16.3.
What the you want from me? Jesus Christ, man. This guy.
What's up, guys? This is your boy Gerald here. Just Wednesday, just got to the shop. Gonna go and see what Kevin's up to. Should be in there welding. I'm a little bit late this morning, but he ain't gonna give a shit. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum.
What's up, Kevin?
What are you doing?
Dude, I just got some lunch. What's up?
Some lunch. You're supposed to be here at 8 o'clock.
You didn't say that. We didn't
Yeah, I told you yesterday. You come in late every day.
We didn't even get here till 1 o'clock yesterday.
Dude, I said 8 o'clock, and you're not here till it's 10:30. What's the deal?
I thought you would be hungry, so I stopped. Ah! What the hell, dude?
Be here at 8 o'clock.
Dude, no. You didn't get here until 9 o'clock.
It doesn't matter what time I'm here. Do what I say, not as I do.
Oh, what is this? You're King Spanks now?
In this shop, I am.
Alright, better get Kevin this fucking piece. What's up, guys? Just finished grinding out this piece for the front section of the cage. I'm gonna go see what Kevin's up to. Alright, Kevin, I got this angle piece done.
Awesome. We'll put that in here in a minute. What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Spangs World. We're getting ready to finish this cage here. The one that we're building for the XP1000 and turbo platform. Get it out the door here. But nice little sick build like we normally do. We have the center or the hood bar here for the ride command dash and stuff. That's why it looks kind of goofy on this one. But it's got our rolled roof here and stuff. And then we got a couple other extra bracing pieces and stuff we're doing on this build with these upper window gussets right here. They'll go in the corners. But other than that, it's our normal production build. Should have put my seatbelt on. Oh, the shot. Ooh, like this content. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, leave a comment down below if you like this type of content. We did a little bit different this time. But anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Peace! Your mama's so fat, she had to get a Can-Am Max and use it as a RS1.